Meghan Markle and Prince Harry last provided an update to their fans via their website 4 months ago. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex last shared an update through the online platform of their organization, Archewell, in mid-April. In a post titled Investing in a Better Online World and published in the news section of the website, Meghan and Harry announced to have issued, through their non-profit foundation, a series of philanthropic grants to organizations working to improve the digital community, make it more humane and safe. A few days prior, they shared findings by the National Women's Law Center, NWLC, concerning the impact the COVID pandemic has had on mothers and women. Other posts dating back to the first months of the year include the support provided by Meghan and Harry to Ukraine in the wake of the Russian invasion and non-profit investment released by their foundation to organizations championing gender equality. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have not shared news of their for-profit work with a post on Archewell since last year. A few pieces of news regarding their work were released between June and July last year, when Archewell announced Meghan's children's book, The Bench, had entered the New York Times bestseller chart. In mid-July last year, Meghan announced she would be one of the executive producers of an animated series for Netflix, Pearl. The show has since been axed by the streaming platform as part of a wider cost-cutting move following a fall in subscribers. Days later, the Duke saw shockwaves through the royal family as he revealed he was writing an intimate memoir, expected to be published later this year. Archewell's website also includes a section dedicated to stories penned either by the foundation's team, by members of its community or by gay. The last story exemplifying one of the acts of compassion championed by Archewell to be published on the website dates back to mid-August last year. This came a few days after Meghan launched her 40x40 initiative marking her milestone 40th birthday. The project saw the Duchess inviting 40 of her friends to dedicate 40 minutes of their time to mentor women who lost their job during the COVID pandemic but were looking to rejoin the workforce. The hope was for the initiative to snowball into a mentorship movement involving more and more people around the world. The article published in the Stories section of Archewell, titled 40x40, Join the Global Change Happening Now, showed how the project was already expanding across the world and being embraced not just by people close to Meghan but also by members of the public who offered a number of services to women in need beside mentorship, including child care support, resources for children's mental health and life coaching. While they have been silent on their website, the Duke and Duchess have had news to share over the past months, both regarding their for-profit effort and non-profit foundation. Albeit this was not shared on Archewell's online platform, Spotify announced in March that Meghan's first podcast series will be released in the summer. The show will be titled Archetype and will see the Duchess and her expert gay investigate the labels that try to hold women back. This show is part of the deal struck by Meghan and Harry with the music streaming giant in late 2020. The pair have so far only released a holiday special episode in December 2 years ago, during which they reflected on the difficult year of 2020 and heard inspiration and reflections from an array of A-list gays, including Deepak Chopra, James Corden and Sir Elton John. In recent weeks, Meghan and Harry have also hit the front page by publicly speaking about issues close to their heart, including the overturning of the Roe v. Wade ruling regarding abortion rights in the U.S. While the Duchess spoke of her views about the U.S. Supreme Court decision in an interview with Vogue, the Duke mentioned it during his speech delivered last month at the United Nations during Mandela International Day. Archewell was launched in late 2020, a few months after the Duke and Duchess officially stepped down as working members of the firm. It includes the Archewell Foundation, Meghan and Harry non-profit arm created with the purpose of uplifting and uniting communities, which has struck a series of partnerships with, among others, the Aspen Institute and World Central Kitchen. Archewell is also made by two production powerhouses, Archewell Productions and Archewell Audio, set to create content for Netflix and Spotify respectively.